guys, today we're going to do the tutorial on speed bridging. So we're going to go into Bedwars. We're going to teach you how to speed build. It's pretty simple how to speed build, but sometimes it's really hard. Come on, load. Loaded Bedwars. So today I'm going to teach you how to speed build. Down in the comments there'll be the buttons of how to speed build, even though I'm going to tell you in this video. Let's go into 4v4s because that's a really quick game. Come on, load! Come on! Oh my god, come on, load! Guys, wait, I have to. Oh god. For every chest, I don't get down. Give me. Oh my god, have you not seen? I've clicked it. Come on. It's really big. Yeah. Okay, I've already cleaned it. Let's not be quick. Okay, guys, really quick. I'm gonna relog. See if it works. Come on. Because I've just fixed my laptop from a virus, apparently. Apparently I fixed it from a virus, but I don't believe I have. I had to go in Snoop settings and all that. All the Snoop settings were wrong. Anyways, I'm doing that in Snoop settings. And then, when I checked, all I had to do was get one thing up that I didn't even know because I actually randomly fixed it. What did I get? I got a shock face. Shock face. It's a shock face. It's a shock face. I'm gonna play some falls now. They can play falls. I can play falls. It's good. Thank you all again for all the subscribers you've given me in the last few days. In the last few days you've given me 15 subscribers. Last one day you gave me 15, man. Thank you all. Some of them you gave me 15 subscribers in the last day. So I thank you all. So today we're going to be teaching you how to speed build. So wait until I get some iron to buy some wool, and then we'll teach you how to speed build. We'll teach you two types of bridges that the most good. We'll teach you I don't really know what to call it. I call it like a medium bridge or something like that. And then we'll teach you the fast bridge. That's just the medium. Unshifting. So let's get right into this. We're gonna buy. So if you're doing this. Wait, yes. If you're doing that, you're going to need some help. If you're doing this, you're going to need a lot of help. If you're doing that, you're going to need a lot of help from this video. So, the second bridge, that I don't even know the name, you do the A, S and Shift keys, and going sideways actually makes it way faster for some random reason. They just made that in Minecraft for some random reason. I don't even know. And I found a voice. Maybe I made an oopsie on that. On one of my settings. It's just been fixed. Let's go and get some. And then this is the last movement. So you do. Oh, can't do it for some. I just can't do it. It's real hard. I'm terrible. So you basically do the bridge I just recently did, but unshifting and shifting, unshifting and shift. And if you want to like more help with me, you do 2 blocks and then unshift, 2 blocks then unshift. So I'll show you. So you do. No, I don't even know why am I doing this, but I may at least get 1 kill in Bedwars. So now we're just going to show you the last bridge, and then this video is going to end. Even though we're about to die, I still want to end the video. So, if you want it a bit easier, I'm going to do. Oh! Jeez! Like, I don't have a rhythm. If you think of a rhythm for like I can't really know, like Q R R R Q R R, like something like that. You get the rhythm, how to do it, and then once you got that rhythm, it'll be simple. I'm telling you, it's way easier with that rhythm, but I don't have a rhythm because I'm terrible at building. Keep in mind, don't tell anyone, but I'm actually terrible at speed building. I've only just learned like a few minutes ago. I mean a few days ago. No, but I mean 2 weeks ago. I just learned and I haven't even improved. One bit. So I do it really. Okay. So that's basically how you do it, but like shift it on exactly the edge. So that's all we have to do for today. Bye!